So hey guys, and welcome back to Leon and Co Gaming, and as usual every month we are doing our portfolio review as we are using a Python algorithm built by me and coded by me to compare it to the S&P 500. So as usual we're going to compare our algorithm compared to our benchmark, which is the S&P 500, and then I'll be going over all the updates and sort of like new code, new functionality that I've implemented into my portfolio manager website that's available for everyone to use, and is what really is important about it is it's integrated with the Trading 212 API, so you don't have to manually update your portfolio unlike so many other apps. Okay, so guys, here is the website. So this is all the code that's behind it, but here's the website. So if I refresh now, it's going to update to our October one. So as you can see, I can refresh it. It's now version 6.0, as we have done significant upgrades, which I will get into. But yeah, here's the new chart. So before I ended here, September, where we were catching up to the S&P quite well, we were basically, less than 1% away from it, but now the gap has widened again and we are about 1.5% away from it. So hopefully next month can be a good one. Hopefully November we shorten this gap, and maybe by December we may be able to go above the S&P. That would be really cool. But yeah, let me just close Task Manager. So yeah, that's the chart. As usual, I always show it. But yeah, if I sign in here, I'll be able to show you everything that's new. So I put my API key to my practice key, just so that you guys don't get to see my real portfolio. Because yeah, I don't know if I should be showing that on YouTube. But yeah, just to show that this still works. Because yeah, APIs, they can maybe change the endpoint to everything, but yeah, everything still works. It's my practice account, of course. Can return 40%. So yeah, it shows how well I'm doing there, and it kind of reflects what I'm doing with my real account, although of course I don't have 71k. I don't even know how that happened, but yeah, I don't have any pending transactions, but we finalized everything for the API. Of course, we'll keep implementing new things, and comment down below what you want to see. So for example, if you're a Trading 212 user, a lot of people said they want to see their pending transactions, right? Because they aren't able to see that on Trading 212, so I implemented it here. So yeah, I'm just really looking forward to see your feedback on that. So that's the first update. We finalized the API stuff, although as I said, there's endless possibilities and we're always looking to improve that. But the real good new thing here is for all the dividend people, a lot of requests coming in for me to implement the order by as well. So this is new here, this order by. Before it was a dividend tool and you could filter by everything. Of course right now it's scraping the data for the specific date we chose, and then it will give you some advanced info on them. But once it loads in, I think I may have taken a date that has a lot of X. Okay, 58 is fine. It takes, I think, it takes like 1 second per stock to scrape the data here. But yeah, this is the new thing of the dividend tools. A lot of people are saying, okay, the filtering is good, it's really useful, but I'd also like to order buy along with my filters. So for example, if you're looking for the best stocks, so the best stocks are for this rank, rank number 1, strong buy, and rank number 2, buy. So they could filter by rank, so it only show the stocks that are of rank 2 and below. Then maybe you want a dividend yield that's like substantially high, so you'd look for yields that are superior or equal to 2. So now that's finished, we can show this in action. So you do 2 here, 2 here, and I mean this is a good example because there's not a lot, so let me just do 3, and then I can order by everything that's in this table yeah, it's just a dynamic thing. So for example, if I do yield here, as you can see, the top yield is at the top, and this once again is just for better usability, and a lot of users have requested this, so I've implemented it. But yeah, the code was really satisfying for this. It's just basically sorting lists, and yeah, it works for every single thing. So if you do rank, then the top rank will come. Yield, of course, we show that amount, it would be the top amount, and then if you want a dividend really soon, then you can do the by date as well. So this is payment date. Well, yeah, days away from the payment. So that is the major update. So the major update in this month, of course, as I said, I am back at university now, as you've probably seen by my live streams. So yeah, I don't have as much time to work on the website, but I'm still grinding on it, right? And I'm making sure to focus on the stuff that you guys want. So that's with the API, for example, finalizing that and then upgrading the dividend tool. I think I'm gonna do this order by into the earnings and the portfolios one as well, as they have similar sort of tables, and I think it'd be useful. But yeah, let me just log out here, and yeah, that's the update. It's now version 6.0. The chart has been updated, the dividends have been updated, and the API has been finalized. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this update. Of course, it is unfortunate that our algorithm lagged behind the S&P 500, even though it's still 3% in a month, so it's pretty high. But of course, the benchmark is higher. So yeah, that was unfortunate. But yeah, another really good update. Really proud of the code I've done, although of course the algorithm was a bit of a disappointment.